So welcome to richardjames.tv. This is a site that we've put together over the last couple of weeks because we recognise that we need to change the way that our business operates. Now, the coronavirus has obviously had a massive impact on all businesses across the world, and the UK housing market is no exception. We are beginning to see some signs that the great British public are already getting used to this new normal, and inquiries have picked up somewhat from a couple of weeks ago. They are falling into three categories. The first one is people saying, I want to go and view a house. How do I do that? Well, if you check out the link that talks about virtual viewings, one of my colleagues will be there to explain what a virtual viewing is and what the next steps are if you see something that you really like. Secondly, people are calling up saying, look, I get that all this is going on, but I still want to move. Maybe it'll be a little bit later in the year, but I still want to move. I want to add some value to the house. What's it worth? How can I do that? So there is a link, virtual valuations, again, where we will explain to you how we conduct a virtual valuation, some of the data sets and some of the information that we pull in that helps us with those. Thirdly is more of a general inquiry. People are saying, what do you think is going to happen to the housing market when this is all over? Well, depending on what paper you read might influence your view, but if you're interested in what we think, check out the link below where I'm happy to share with you my thoughts and some of those of some of my colleagues of what we think we can expect for the remainder of this year and as we look forward to 2020. Social distancing, that's here to stay, but we don't think that means we need to be antisocial. Far from it, in fact. So we've built a lot of tech into this site. We're using Video Ask, we're using WhatsApp, where you can message us directly from the site. We're using Zoom for face-to-face meetings. We want to build a relationship with you guys, and face-to-face we think is still the best way to do it. So check out the site, get to know our people. If you are ready to talk about the future, if you're thinking about moving later in the year, then we would very much love to hear from you. Thanks very much.